Dear students, today we are going to see lesson 10 more on MSW logo. First, we are going to see printing the text. In the previous class, that is in 4th standard, I hope you all studied about MSW logo. What do you mean by MSW logo? Microsoft Windows logo. Now, printing the text. How to print the text, that is sentence or word, that only we are going to see. For that you can use print command, that is print primitive that displays the text on the screen. It is also very useful when you perform. It displays the results in the recall list box and you can give inputs in the commander window. Here given print number, that is example input print 10. It will give you the print the value 10. Next, printing the word computer, print single double quotation, you are giving computer, the output will be computer. Sentence means print and you put square bracket, within that you write any sentence. The sentence will be displayed as output. Okay. Next, print first. What do you mean by print first? It will give you the first letter of the word or first word of the sentence. Here you see the syntax print first, within the square bracket you give sentence. Input print first within double quotation, within the bracket, square bracket. MSW logo is a simple computer language. For this, you can get the output as MSW logo. Here, MSW logo is a simple computer language. This is a sentence. In this sentence, MSW is the first word. So, it gives us the first word MSW. Next, we are going to see about the calculations in MSW logo. You all know calculations means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Here the operator, first operator plus, which is used for addition. For this, how to give command? Print 10 plus 20. So it will add and give the output as 30. Next, the operator minus, operation is subtraction. Print 50 minus 15. It will give you the output 35. Next, multiplication. For the multiplication, you all know we are using the asterisk symbol. Otherwise, you can call this as star. Always you are calling this as star, but the name is asterisk. Input. That is, what do you mean by input? What command you are giving? That only the input given in the box. Print 20 star 4. It will give you the output as 80. Next, division. Division slash we are using. Print 80 slash 2, it will give you output as 40. Okay, this activity next given. This one you have to do by yourself. If you have computer at your home, you can do this. Otherwise, you can do this in the notebook. Okay. Next is sum. Sum is the function which is used to do addition of numbers. Syntax print sum number 1, number 2. Example print sum 7, 9. This will also give you the sum of the values 7 and 9. That is 16 as output. Next, difference. Difference means subtraction. This difference function is used for subtracting the numbers. The syntax you can give us print difference number 1, number 2. Example print difference 99, 88. That is, it will subtract 88 from 99 and give you the result as 11. Next function product. Product means multiplication. You all know. Here also the same print product number 1, number 2. It will give you the output. That is print product 58. It will multiply 50 and 8 and give you the output as 400. Next one, for the division, we are having two functions. One is the quotient and another one is for remainder. Here quotient function. This quotient function divide the first number by the second number and give us the quotient value. Print quotient number 1, number 2. That is print quotient 542. 2. It will give you 271 as the output, which is the quotient of this division. Next, remainder. Remainder means it will divide the first number by the second number. That is 91 by 2. And the remainder is 1. It will display 1 as the result, which is the remainder. Next, equal to. This compares two values and returns if both the values are equal. Otherwise, it returns false as the answer. Here you see print 91 equal to 2. Whether this is true or false? False. 91 is not equal to 2. 91 is equal to 91 means it will give you the answer as true. Here 91 equal to 2 given. This is false. So it gives you the output as false. Next, less than. These are all comparative operator or relational operators. Equal to, less than, greater than, not equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to. These are all comparative operators or relational operators. Now we are going to see less than. These compares two values and returns true if the number on the left side of the operator is less than the number on the right side. Otherwise, it returns false value. Here you see the example, print 13 less than 20, which is true. And so, it gives you the true answer. Next, greater than. Here also the same, it compare two values and it compare the left side value with the right side value. If the answer is true means it will give you answer true, otherwise it returns false. Print 20 greater than 12, this is true, so it gives you true as the answer. Next one, procedures in MSW logo. Procedure means it starts with the 2 followed by the procedure name, and after that at the end you are having end command. So you see here, first one, write the name of the procedure preceded by 2. The command word 2 should be separated from the procedure name by at least 1 space. Here you see the example 2 space rectangle. So rectangle is the procedure name, 2 is the procedure starting word. Okay. Next, on typing and executing the procedure command, to mode, that is cancel to end, window appears. Type the set of instructions in the to mode window one by one and press OK. So to and mode is the starting of the procedure, and after that you can give the logo commands. What are the logo commands? FD90, RT90, BK, like that. HT means show turtle. FD means forward, RT means rightward, right side. Okay, right. BK backward. Okay, these are all studied in the last class. And after completing this logo commands, you give end, which shows the end of the procedure. Okay, now how to write the procedure over. Now how to save the procedure. For saving the procedure, just click on, after typing the command, you click on the file menu and you click the save as option. Save as dialog box appears, and there in the file name box you type the name of the file. Example, you can write your name also for the procedure. And after that you click the save button. The procedure will be saved with the given name. Okay. Next, executing the procedure. After completing the procedure, you have to say next. Executing the procedure. For that, just you type the name of the procedure in the command input box and press the enter key or click on the execute button. For example, rectangle. Here rectangle program, 2 rectangle we have given means just you type rectangle and then you execute. Now we pass on to the answers to book exercise. First one, fill in the blanks. Which of the following is the correct sentence to print a sentence? For that, the option print sentence, print square bracket sentence, print double quotation sentence. The answer is B option. Second one, how many inputs can be given with the P or primitive? For that answer, C option 1. Third one, which primitive returns first word of the typed sentence? For that answer, print first. That is B option. Fourth one, the last command to be entered to create a procedure is C option, end. Fifth one, which operator returns true if both the numbers are equal? For that answer, equal to, which is C option. Okay, next fill in the blanks. The dash primitive displays the results in the recall list box. Answer, print. The comparison operators are used to dash the numbers. Answer, compare. A dash is defined with the to command. Answer is procedure. Fourth one, we simply type the dash of the procedure to execute it. For that answer, name of the procedure. Fifth one, the sum and different functions are the dash functions of MSW logo. The answer is mathematical. Next we pass on to true or false. The equal to, less than and greater than operators are called logical operators. For that answer, false. Second one, the end command is used to close a procedure. Answer, true. Third one, in MSW logo, to mode window appears when you type FD command. The answer, false. Fourth one, the multiplication function gives product of two numbers. Answer, true. Fifth one, to execute a procedure, just type the procedure name and press the enter key. The answer, true. Okay. Next, match the following. First one, print primitive. For that, the answer is D in column B. That is used to print text on the screen. Second, sum function. Sum function, the answer C, used for adding the numbers. Third one, the plus, minus, star and slash. Answer E in column B or arithmetic operators. Fourth one, the equal to, greater than, less than. The answer is A. That is, they are comparison operators. Fifth one, difference function, B option, used for subtracting the numbers. Okay. Now, write the command for the following and also its result. This one you do as homework. Book exercise E, subheading, write the command for the following and add its result. This one you do by yourself and check your answer with this screen answer. Okay. Next class we see about the answer the following and application based questions. Okay. Thank you, students.